The budget mechanical keyboard king has arrived. The Dravo 84 key Grammar is a 75% keyboard that I picked up for £26 with Otemu brand switches. The switches are very tactile and I rarely bottom out while typing. The lighting settings are just on, ripple, snake, tracking, and breathing. Time for a sound test. This is unlubed with no O-rings. Quality mechanical keyboards can be expensive, but this one breaks that mold, as for under £30 you're getting a choice of 4 different switches, good backlighting, and amazing build quality. That's why I'm saying